So if you actually want to withdraw your Toncoin and actually deposit it to other exchanger like Bitget, I'm going to show you a simple tutorial how you can do that without even converting to USDT. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels and watch this video from beginning to the end. For you to do that, you have to come to this particular area, which is this asset option. So ensure you actually transfer all your funds from funding wallet to trading wallet. So as you can see, this is my Ton, and you are going to actually click on it. As you can see, I'm going to show you the amount. As I actually have 84 Ton, so I'm going to be transferring to another exchanger, which is actually called Bitget. So let's do it over here. I'm going to go back, then I'm going to come over to this withdraw, because I actually want to withdraw it and transfer it to another exchanger. And click on this withdraw crypto over here. So as you can see, it's going to load up to be able to actually paste our wallet address. So while loading up, also you have to come to any of your exchanger, maybe Bybit, but I'm actually using Bitget for this particular tutorial. You have to come to this asset option, come to this asset, and you are going to add fund. Click on this add fund, click on this deposit crypto, and you are going to find Ton from the option that is available. So as you can see, there is USDT, there is Sol, there is Core, which I have done. So I'm going to find Ton. So you are going to search for Ton from this option. So as you can see, there is Toncoin over here. Click on it to actually get your wallet address from Bitget. So, and if you don't have Bitget account, you can actually use the link inside the description of this video to get access to this platform. So I'm going to actually use Toncoin. I'm going to use Toncoin over here as the network, then actually copy this wallet address, then come over to, I'm going to come over to OKX. So it's still loading up. So as you can see, we actually have Ton, we have USDT, but we actually want to withdraw our Toncoin. So I'm going to click on this Toncoin, then click on on-chain withdrawal. So I'm going to click on on-chain withdrawal, and it's going to bring out the option for us to paste the wallet address. You know, we actually copy wallet address from Bitget. We are going to paste the wallet address over here. Then we are going to choose the network. So, you know, like choose the network we got. So as you can see, it's Ton. So we don't have any issue with the wallet address. It does actually bring it automatically. Since I actually want to transfer everything inside this Ton wallet on OKX, I'm going to click on mass. So as you can see, which is 11.56 Ton. So the next thing I have to do right now to ensure that this transaction is successful is to click on this submit, and it's going to actually ask for my confirmation to be able to send it out. So as you can see, potential risk warning. So I'm going to actually click on it because I actually copied the right wallet. Click on continue, then confirm. So the next thing I have to do right now is to send OTP to my phone number and also OTP to my email address. So let me send OTP to my phone number and also to my email address. So it has been sent successfully. So as you can see, I've successfully received the email. So I'm going to click on it to actually copy the address. So as you can see, this is for the phone number. I'm going to copy it, then come over to OKX, then paste this particular code over here. So for the phone number, paste. So the next thing is to actually copy for the email. So I actually receive it from the email. So as you can see, your Ton wallet withdrawal code, I'm going to actually click on it, then actually copy the code, which is this code, copy, then come over to OKX. So I'm going to paste the code over here. So I'm going to paste the code, then click on confirm. So I think we are done for this transaction. So ensure you actually copy those code very quickly, because if you refuse to do it on time, you can actually start again. So as you can see, withdrawal submitted, and you are going to see the withdrawal details over here. So one of the features I actually like about OKX is the fact that if you actually send any of your coin and you actually want to cancel it, you can cancel it within 15 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for about 15 or 20 minutes for them to actually confirm it, and I'm going to get the Ton coin inside my GetBit account. So I'm going to pause this video, wait a little bit to actually receive this coin.
A few moments later.
So welcome back. After waiting for about 15 minutes or so, I actually received a message from my email address that deposit successful, and yes, actually sent me a mail that withdrawal successful. So let's go back to our a Bitget account to actually show you if we actually got it or not. So it's very simple. As you can see, one deposit received. So let me click on it to show you how easy and fast it is. So as you can see, 11.55 ton. I'm going to show you. So success. As you can see, they actually charge, I think they charge 0.1 fee for the transaction. So I hope this video actually help you out to send your fund out of OKX, since federal government has suspended we Nigeria using OKX right now. So if you have any of your fund in OKX, ensure you actually transfer it out. You can still use Bybit, you can use Bitget. So those ones are still allowing P2P. So you can actually transfer all your phone right now. So, and if you actually want to sign up with all those platforms, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to join right now. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.